Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So starting with the stationery that I'll be using today, it's Staedtler 6B pencil for drawing, Dome's Aqua pens for outline, and Dome's eraser to erase the extra lines. And these are the Staedtler Luna pencils which I'll be using for the coloring. So today we are going to draw a swing. For all the products, the links are there in the description. So starting with the drawing, we are going to draw a sleeping line first, then a slanting line. Now we are going to put another slanting line for the base and the same on the other side. Now we are going to draw another big slanting line for the pole, which is touching the baseline that we have made. Now making two sleeping lines at the bottom, as the other side also will be making the two slanting lines for the pole. So we are making the bottom lines so that we make it same as drawn in the first part. So these are basically the sides of the swing. Now making the base, the seat. So just drawing two sleeping lines first and then joining it with the two slanting lines, drawing standing lines on the edges to show the width of the seat and joining them with the same lines that we have drawn before. Now making two slanting lines here to make the chain which will be holding the swing to the top of the structure. So this one needs to be bit more slanting to join the standing line. Adding one more sleeping line on the top, as we'll be doubling the chain line on that. So starting with the sketch pen, we'll be just making them like the small ovals and we'll be continuing them till the end to give the effect of the chain. So just follow the lines. They can be of different sizes, so you can decide that according to the space that you have. Now on the slanting line also we are making the same pattern. Now we are starting with the outlining the base, the seat. So we are just doing it on the pencil lines as we made it before. So we draw with the pencil lines first to avoid any mistakes, as if we do any mistake with the pencil line it can be corrected easily, which is not possible once we do with the sketch pens. So given the texture of the seat, just adding few lines. Now we are making the detailed drawing of the log. So starting with the oval and the line on the sleeping lines that we have drawn with the pencil line before. The line doesn't have to be perfectly sleeping. It can be little wiggly, as these are the wooden logs that we are making. So to give it a natural effect, we are not making a proper slanting and a proper sleeping lines here. The basic lines were just for our help. So just follow the lines. Hope you're finding this drawing very easy. do let me know in the comment section. And also you can just let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw for the next tutorial. As you all already know that I'm coming up with some like different drawings every day. So just follow the lines. The other side also we are making it just next to the slanting lines we made with the pencil. Now just be careful. You don't need to make the lines again behind one of the log, as they are overlapping, so be careful with what lines you need to draw. Adding few grasses to show the land part. Now again adding some texture in the logs. These are just like a broken line. We don't have to make a one particular sleeping line at a stretch. So small and big lines, we just have to make random lines here. Now once we are done with the drawing, we'll be erasing the pencil lines. So those were just the helping lines for us to make the drawing perfectly. So now we'll be starting with the color. The colors that I am using, these are the Staedtler Luna pencil. The link is available in the description. So this is the dark purple which I am using for the chain. And then I am adding yellow ochre in the log. Just do it in one direction and do not leave any spaces when you are coloring to get the smooth texture of the color. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials. And also share it with your friends. Hope these drawings are going to help you a lot. Now I am doing the brown color in the seat. This is the darker brown color which I am using here. Once again, all the links of the stationery that I use is there in the description. And do like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for regular updates. I am posting videos every day, so you can let me know in the comment section what you want me to draw next. Hope you enjoyed watching this. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.